If you just woke up from a 2-week coma, naturally the first thing you do is to check your long Brent futures position on Onyx markets. What else? You may not have suspected a thing. Well, boy girl, have I got news for you. Since last week's video, we've seen bipolar Trump, part-time warmonger, part-time Nobel Peace Prize nominee. The US airstrikes deep within Iranian territory were eerily reminiscent of Top Gun Maverick. And then it was time for peace. Cue a strike from Iran onto an empty US airbase in Qatar, which the market interpreted as theatrical and face-saving. Iran probably did more financial damage to the P&Ls of Brent futures bulls. You might laugh, but this is really top-notch research. The gyms at the US airbase were emptier than usual. Some might chalk it up to leg day. We'll let you decide. Not to mention on Polymarket, mad lads were betting on the probability of the Strait of Hormuz closing. 60% at one point, the tail risks were there. After Trump declared a ceasefire, it took a different kind of bomb, an F-bomb from him for both sides to get the hint, and that might have actually worked. We literally couldn't tell if the video was AI. We can only hope things stay this way, but peace is fragile. Don't fret, the financial flows and fundamentals are still exciting, and the market is sure to focus its attention on OPEC and macro developments. If only our teachers and professors had the same attitude to deadlines as Trump on the tariffs. Forget the Fed interest rate cuts. Now what about the UAE supply cuts? Jorge is on top of it. What do you think?